Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. I honestly had a lot of fun with this look, and I'm a little bit sad to be taking it off. This tongue is way too heavy, so I'm gonna take it off first. Oh. Wait, watch this. I can't even properly smile with the latex on my face. So let's take it off. Okay, ready? Didn't feel that. And of course, how can I leave you without any nightmare fuel? Okay, but can we get a nice satisfying stripe here? I think yes. Okay, one more, then I'm gonna shower. I took a shower and my nose is slightly stained, but other than that, I am all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I can't talk. There we go, that's a little better. And now, I know I already did a miraculous makeup in the past, but I just had to make a scary one. I also know that her hair isn't black and it's blue, but I don't own a blue wig. Look at that, I got little scratches from Cat Noir, and it's like the mask is carved. You know what I'm talking about. I'm proud of this look. And now we gotta take it off. I only really use latex for the mask, so let's find an edge. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Now you see, if I was smart, I would remove the contacts before taking the rest of this off, but I'm too lazy and my hands are dirty. Ready for the sad part? Oh no. Nightmare fuel? My phone's at 3%, but let's try to get a satisfying stripe. Oh yeah, there we go. That took forever to wash off, but I am finally clean. And you guys have an amazing day.
Ow, that hurt. I recommend to not pull these things off. Oh. The joys of rushing, because I've got plans tonight, and I need to be there now.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This is Virgo for the zodiac signs gone bad. This one really has to be one of my favorites so far. Look at that. I really don't want to take her off. You know what they say, all good things must come to an end, and she's in my hair. Let's just start from the bottom. No physical pain, just emotional. Oh my god. I broke a flower. Literally. How does that happen? Did she get in my eyebrow? No, she didn't. Please don't rip my hair out. I think we're safe. Damn. I know this glitter will stay with me for months. Face so clean. Have a great day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me, darts edition. Let's get these contacts out. Get these lashes off. This should be fun. Let's try to get out the bottom. Let's get the neck. Ah! Now I'm gonna start wiping this off. Thanks for watching.
I finally completed the mission of becoming a human disco ball. I cannot wait to take this off because I can't, move my face. This is all I can do. But let's try. That's terrifying. I'm getting little fin gills. That's not the word. There's latex on my fingers, and it's really late, and I want to go to sleep. You know, after having this much glitter on myself, I don't think I will ever get rid of it. But I can try. I found an edge. Let's do the face. Okay, that was scary. I feel like a superhero, like this is like my mask. The audio cut out here for whatever reason, but pretend I'm like crying. Painful latexes. The audio is out again. Still crying. Yeah. Let's do the next 3, 2, 1. Hope you weren't watching that for the ASMR because I just screamed. I tried to do like an ASMR version of this on my Instagram, so if you want to check it out, you can. Ow. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. This look here was inspired by My Little Pony, and this is if Twilight Sparkles was, well, scary. I'm gonna start by taking off the wig because it's kind of sticking to everything now. Now let's do this cute little ear. I think I got some of my baby hairs, guys. Now let's take off this monstrosity, and it's all very sticky. I love using clay, but oh my god, it does not feel good. One single lash, and how can I leave you without the nightmare fuel? I don't even know why I do scary makeup anymore. Like, I can just smear paint on my face and put contacts in and I already look terrifying. I'm just gonna go shower. I'm back from the shower and I'm all clean now. I thought the paint was gonna stain my skin, but it really didn't. And you guys have an amazing day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? I cannot talk. But it means it's time to take this off again. Oh my god. I made her out of clay. Boop. It feels so weird. I actually finished the whole Zodiac series. So if you guys are asking for your sign, it's already been done. The reason I was saying ow is because that one was in my hair. This one isn't. Nice. I bought moss from Joann's and I thought it was fake, but it was real, so I literally just had real moss on my face. Get out of my hair, please. Thank you. I love ripping my hair off, don't you? My favorite part though is the little claws. All clean now.
Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the tooth fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower. Get unready with me, Christmas tree edition. I take the star out of my hair. Gotta take these ornaments off. Watch this. We're gonna try using these. Oh. It smells like so many chemicals in here. The most painful for last. Get these lashes off. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me. Grr. Let me get these contacts out. I can see. This is gonna hurt. I have never gotten that off in one try before. Like I'm actually shocked. Now I'm gonna spray some makeup melt and rub that in. This is definitely gonna stain my face. Now I'm taking my makeup towel and wiping that off. I'm only slightly stained pink. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. It's really all about the eye on my hand. With my left hand was way more difficult than I expected. Wow. Now this one. Putting on contacts without moving my hands was probably one of the most difficult things I've done so far. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, this is Libra. I think I messed up my wig trying to make a bun. Oh well, I'll just brush it out later. Gemstone eyebrows. Ooh. Nice. They never come off in one piece like that, see? Ah. Well, good to know my eyebrows are still there. I literally couldn't even see these ones. Good thing I took my contacts off. Should have done it earlier though. I'm not even gonna try to wash this off. I'm just gonna go and shower. My eyes are slightly stained, but other than that, I am clean.
Take off my makeup with me, scary pumpkin edition. Let's take off the cloak. This is a massive contact. Oh, I made these drips out of latex. Oh. Cute. Let's get the one eyelash. I'm gonna try this Good Molecules cleansing balm. I'm gonna need a lot. I guess we just rub it in. What do I do? Hi. Now I'm just gonna wipe that off. There is black paint so far up my nostrils. Get the neck. It's actually kind of coming off. I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, it is time to take this off again. If you couldn't tell, this was Scorpio for the zodiac, so yes. I'm gonna start by taking my lashes off because I cannot see. Now for the fun stuff. Boom. I just love having insects on my face, don't you? Are scorpions even insects? Oh, I don't know. And the moment we've all been waiting for. Nice. I feel like this is scary enough. I'm gonna go wash it off. Ah, my skin can breathe. Contacts are off and that is it. Hey there, little freaks. You know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I'm pretty proud of this one. Like, this is one of the my most favorite looks. I know what I'm saying. I can't talk, but I know what I'm saying. I will stop talking so you guys can enjoy the quality ASMR. Lovely. A lot of you guys are recreating my looks and I love it. It's amazing. I love it when you tag me in your videos. But I rip latex off of my skin because my skin is numb. If it hurts to take off, please use warm water and oil. I will soon be posting a tutorial for that look. And have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Y'all already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I want to know what happens if I just pull the thread. Ow. Ah, let's do it a little slower for this side. That wasn't very slow, was it? We still got these pieces though. Ooh. Yummy. What? I can't control the things that I say sometimes. I apologize. Last little piece. Nice. This is useless. I'm gonna go wash my face. Alright, I think I got like most of it. But you guys have a great day today.
Take off my makeup with me, double edition. Take off these horns, gloves. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. Get these gems. Ow. Take off the choker. It's giving very much Red Dude from Inside Out. I really like these lashes. Ow. Now we're going in with some cleansing balm. This is definitely gonna stain my face. There's a lot going on here. Now we wipe. My forehead looks like a coaster. Get the contacts out. And I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower.